Hello and welcome to Insurance World TV, your premier insurance education channel, where we simplify everything you need to know about insurance so you can make smart, informed decisions. Now, let me ask you something. When you buy life assurance or an education policy, do you stop at just the basics? Because if you do, you might be missing out on some seriously powerful add-ons that could make all the difference when life takes an unexpected turn. In today's episode, we're diving into the top must-have add-ons, also called riders, that can transform your standard policy into a rock-solid financial safety net. Whether you're planning for your children's education or protecting your loved one's future, these riders will help you get more value, more security, and more peace of mind. Here is a list of some riders we feel you should really give a thought while purchasing a long-term assurance or insurance policy. Rider number 1. Waiver of Premium Rider. First up is the waiver of Premium Rider. Imagine this: you're paying into your education or life policy, but then, due to a serious illness or disability, you can no longer earn an income. What happens to your policy? Well, with this rider, the insurance company takes over the premiums for you. That's right, they keep paying for your plan while you focus on recovery. Example. Take James, for example. He was diagnosed with a spinal condition and could no longer work. But thanks to the waiver of Premium Rider, his kid's education plan continued without a hitch. Why this rider is a must-have on your long-term assurance policy.
1.
It keeps your policy active even during hard times.
2.
It prevents your long-term plans from collapsing due to unexpected disability. 3. It ensures your children's dreams don't end with your paycheck. Important note: with this rider, you're saying, even if I can't pay, my insurance still shows up for my family. Your commitment doesn't end with your income, and neither should your policy. Rider number 2. Accidental Death Benefit Rider. Accidents happen, and when they do, the financial consequences can be devastating. That's where the Accidental Death Benefit Rider steps in. It adds an extra payout on top of your main cover if you pass away due to an accident. Just like Rose's family. She had a life cover of 2 million Kenya shillings and an accidental death rider worth 1 million Kenya shillings. When she tragically passed in a road accident, her family received 3 million Kenya shillings. That's the power of this rider. Why this rider is a must-have.
1.
Accidental deaths are unpredictable and often sudden.
2.
Helps loved ones cope with emergency funeral costs, outstanding debts, or income gaps. 3. It's a cost-effective way to double your family's financial safety net. Important note: you can't predict an accident, but you can protect your family from its impact. On to rider number 3, Critical Illness Rider. Next is the Critical Illness Rider, and this one is a game changer. It provides a lump sum payout if you're diagnosed with a serious illness like cancer, stroke, or kidney failure. See our video on critical illness to learn more of these diseases.
Example.
Peter was diagnosed with prostate cancer. His critical illness rider gave him a payout of 750,000 Kenya shillings. That money went straight into treatment. No stress, no debt. Why this rider is a must-have.
1.
It provides cash exactly when it's needed the most.
2.
It prevents you from depleting your savings or selling property for treatment. 3. The lump sum payment eases the pressure and lets you focus on recovery, not bills. An illness should shake you, but not shake your entire financial foundation. Important note: when sickness strikes, this rider brings the financial cure. Next, rider number 4. Family Income Benefit Rider. Do you want to ensure your family continues to receive monthly income even after you're gone? Then the Family Income Benefit Rider is for you.
Example:
Janet's family didn't just receive a lump sum after her passing. They received 50,000 Kenya shillings every month for 5 years. That consistency made all the difference. Why it is good to have this rider.
1.
The income keeps food on the table, school fees paid, and rent covered.
2.
It offers a sense of continuity for your family.
3.
It eliminates the risk of lump sum mismanagement. Important note: it's like your salary never stopped when you are gone, because your love never did. Rider number 5. Premium Refund on Maturity Education Policy. Here's one for the long-term thinkers. Premium Refund on Maturity. If your policy matures without a claim, you get back all your premiums, sometimes with bonuses. Example: David paid into his child's education policy for 10 years. On maturity, he got everything back plus a bonus. That cash helped pay for university. Why you should ensure you have this rider.
1.
It turns your insurance into a form of savings.
2.
If life goes well, you get your money back.
3.
If life doesn't, you're still covered. If nothing happens, you get your money back. If something happens, you're covered either way. That's a win-win. Either way, you win. Rider number 6. Term Rider. Extra life cover. Need more cover during your mortgage years or while raising kids? The term rider adds extra protection to your policy for a set number of years. Example: Patrick had a base policy of 1.5 million Kenya shillings. With the term rider, his total cover during high responsibility years was 3.5 million Kenya shillings. All that protection for just a few extra shillings a month. Why this rider is a must-have.
1.
It increases your coverage affordably.
2.
It is ideal during your peak responsibility years.
3.
It keeps your family's standard of living intact even after you're gone. Just because you can't be there doesn't mean you can't provide. This is how you protect your dreams without straining your budget. The final rider for today. Rider number 7. Spouse and Child Rider. Do you want to protect your whole family under one plan? The Spouse and Child Rider does exactly that. No separate policies, no stress. Example: Cynthia added her spouse and child to her plan. When her husband fell ill, he was covered without needing another application. Why this rider is worth considering.
1.
It has all-in-one plan that protects the whole family.
2.
It is easy to manage, cost-effective.
3.
No need to do double paperwork or underwriting. One umbrella. One premium. Total peace of mind. Conclusion. As you can see, these riders aren't just extras. They're essential. They're the airbags in your financial car, the safety net under your family's dreams, the backup plan to your plan A. So, whether you already have a life policy or you're considering an education plan, don't leave it half-baked. Add these riders and make your policy complete. If you'd like help tailoring a personalized insurance plan with these riders, reach out to us. We'll walk the journey with you. Remember to like, share, and subscribe to Insurance World TV for more tips that help you protect what matters most. Until next time, stay insured and stay empowered.